Hey guys, it's Rachel with the Certified Funnel Builders, and today we're just going to have a super short little video on how to pause your ClickFunnels account. It's super simple. A reason you would want to do this, I would just recommend doing this. If you are building funnels, but for some reason for like a few months you aren't building funnels, or like you have a bunch of funnels in your account but there's a few months where you're not really running anything, you're not really needing ClickFunnels, but you don't want to delete all your funnels, this would be a great thing to do. It does not, instead of canceling your account, what this does is it pauses your account, so it keeps all your funnels in the back end. And they're not running live, like you can't go edit them or anything, and it just costs $10 a month instead of paying the, I think it's like, what is it, $70-$90 a month. You just pay $10 a month, and it's kind of like they're just hosting your funnels for a little bit, and then you can always come in and open your account back up. So that's super cool. It's super simple, guys. So all you're going to do is come over to your right hand over here, and then go to account settings. And then you are going to go to account billing over here on the left. And you would come over here to cancel account. And you're going to click cancel my subscription. And then right here, it's going to give you an option to pause your plan. So this saves your subdomains, pages, customers, leads, and funnels. So it kind of just saves everything in the back end of ClickFunnels for you, so you don't lose all that information, which is super helpful and awesome. I don't know why you wouldn't want to do that. So that's it, guys. I don't actually need to pause my account, so I'm not going to do that right now. But then you would just click pause your plan and follow the directions from there. And that's it on pausing your account, guys. So I hope that was helpful. Now, we are launching FunnelPrime this week. So as you guys have seen in the past few videos, we've been saying that something big is coming up, and it's finally here, guys. FunnelPrime is a place where you can go and get a membership, and you can have professional certified funnel builders complete your ClickFunnels tasks for you. So if you need a new domain added to your funnel, or you need a content change done, or you need an A/B test run, all you have to do is log into FunnelPrime, submit a task on what you want done, and they will handle it for you. So it's kind of similar to how the ClickFunnels works, ClickFunnels help desk, how you go in and you answer all these questions, and then they email you back with a response on how to fix things, except instead of us emailing you a response on how to fix things, we just do it for you. So this is super helpful for taking away your technical stress for those of you who aren't super technically savvy. And then it's also great for optimizing your funnels, guys. You don't want your funnels to just be sitting there and doing nothing. That's not really helpful. So we can go in and run A/B tests as often as you want, and just improve your funnels and help you get those opt-in rates up and those sales up. So you guys need to go check that out. We have a 14-day free trial. So go click the link in the comments and go do it. You guys need it. So I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you have a great day.